back to the viewers and welcome back to my YouTube family. As you see in the thumbnail, I will be making original Jamaica peanut punch today for you guys. Yeah man, and these are all the ingredients that I'm gonna use today. It's nice and simple and full of flavor. So stick around, and after the intro I'm gonna show you exactly how to make the authentic Jamaica peanut punch. Thank you for sticking around. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the authentic Jamaica peanut punch. So today I'm using green peanut. I'm just gonna pour it in the blender, and that's 1 cup of peanut and 1 cup of water. Yes, and I'm gonna blend this for approximately a minute or two, just to make sure it's nice and blend. I can actually smell the aroma of the peanut. Okay, now I'm gonna add half cup of oats, and I'm gonna add half cup of supplegen. Okay, if you don't have supplegen, then you can use nutriment mix or ensure as substitute. Nice. Then I'm gonna add half cup of Irish mass, Jamaica Irish mass, peanut flavor. Yes. Then I'm gonna add half cup of Jamaica Guinness. This one is optional because since it's contain alcohol, and if you're gonna make it for your kids. Okay, so now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Yes. Then I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of mixed spice. Cinnamon, ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon. Nutmeg. Yes, I'm gonna add a little bit of great nutmeg. Yeah. Yes, so you don't wanna add too much nutmeg to your peanut punch. So now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. Yes, just like that. That will make it nice and creamy. Then now for the milk, condensed milk, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons since most of my ingredients are already sweet. 2 tablespoons. Yes. Then I'm gonna add a few cubes of ice. Yes, few cubes of ice. And then I'm gonna blend for another minute. And our Jamaica peanut punch is ready to be served. Lovely. It's not too thick. Nice. That's amazing. Let me. So guys, I wanna say a big thank you for choosing Chef Andre Davy YouTube channel. And if you wanna see more content like this, please just subscribe to the channel and give me a little bit of likes. And I wanna see the comment. Thank you, and I will catch you in another video.